Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. It is I, SL Rockfish, your happy hostess. So glad you could join me right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. Today, trying out a little different background. If I do the video right, it'll have a fun color background. If I didn't figure out the overlay, you're just going to see me on green. Either way, it's going to work. So glad you could join me. Again, I'm SL Rockfish. You're here at the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel, and this is where we have fun with the English language, do a little reading, poke a little fun at the English language, practice our English fluency, and generally just have a good time. So thank you for joining me. If you like what you see today, hit subscribe at your convenience. If you're not sure this will be a good episode for you, there are many more down below. There's like 100 and some. I know, I've been busy. So let's get right to it. Again, I am SL Rockfish. You are here at the channel, and today we are going to work on the amazing letter A. Why the letter A? Well, because I started a podcast, and I thought where better to start for a podcast in explaining how English is wacky than the first letter in the alphabet. The letter A, we call it the amazing A. A is amazing because it can do so much. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. First of all, there's the short A sound. Well, let's rewind. A is the first letter in the alphabet. Number 1 out of 26 letters. So that's pretty special. Second reason it's amazing. It is able to make a word all by itself. Huh? Yeah, I'll show you. Where is my eraser? So, the letter A makes the word Huh? Yeah, You know, like a dog, a cat. This word is an article, and it's also the letter A and the word No other letter can be thought of as a word, and it doesn't even make the word isn't the sound that the letter makes. Does that make sense? Huh? For example, this is which is pronounced like UH. But the sounds for A are a long A, and the short A, ah. Let's take a look at the short A. Here we go. The short A, as in hat, cat, had, hand. Short A. Got it? Then we have the long A. Oh, I erased my long A, so hold on. Let me find the long A. We're going to take the long A, and we're going to use it in the basic pronunciation in this lovely pattern we call vowel, consonant, E. The VCE pattern. For example, cake. The A is a long A because here's a vowel, consonant, E. Vowel, consonant, E. The E is what we call the bossy E. This E makes this A say its name. It's like, hey, you, say your name. So he's a bossy E. The bossy E makes the A say its name. So cake, lake, bake, and any other word you can think of. Let's say the word lace, L-A-C-E. Here's long A, there's the C, there's the bossy E. Got it? Long A. But wait, there's more. The letter A is so amazing because it can make different combinations with itself and one other letter, and it'll make the long A, as in A-I. Okay? We got an AI as in rain. Let me show you. I made note cards because, you know, old school. AI, rain, pain. See? Long A. You can do the AY as in bay, day, and play. Huh? Yeah, AY. Got it. Now, here's another amazing part. The letter A can make other letters say its name, and it doesn't even have to show up. Maybe it's not a bossy A, but it's a bully. Or maybe people just want to letters just want to be like that. Ding! I heard a ding. E-Y. The E-Y together makes the A sound. Let me show you. Hey, H-E-Y. They, T-H-E-Y. Way, W-H-E-Y. Way. We don't hear that a lot unless you're drinking a protein drink. Or curds and whey. Got it? Way. How does the E and a Y make an A sound? I don't know, because English. All right. Then we also have the A sound, long A sound, no A around. E-I, R-E-I-N, rain. Then we have neighbor, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-R, neighbor, and rain, long A. What? Yeah, A is a beast, man. A can get other people to say its name. Okay? Now, there's some amazing things to the letter A. It's number one for a reason, my friends. Number one. Now, I'm going to drive it home with a little poem. And now, if you are like, you're speaking too fast, I have a shorter version of this or a longer version on podcast at English Makes No Sense on Spotify and on Anchor FM. So, look me up on Anchor or Spotify at English Makes No Sense. But, here we go. I wrote a poem. Are you ready? Well, hello, letter A. What can I say? You are number one, and oh, so much fun. Sometimes you are short, and other times long. You can stand on your own as a word all alone. You know, like an That one letter it is pronounced Can any other letter do that? Or as a short sound in fat? Or a long sound as in fate? Uh-oh, where did I lose my page? My long sound in fate. Oh no, here it is. That V consonant E, that's the pattern. V consonant E. Oh, I have so many chalkboards here. Here it is. Woo. As your V consonant E, okay? It's easy, you see? The long A can be made in different ways, as with AY, with A is say and day. Let me find my say and day again. Here we go, review. As in say, day, bay, and play. Or EY, as in they and hey. But wait, there is more. EI, don't ignore. As in rains, veins, and eight. Oh yeah, eight. So many ways. Isn't that great? You know, great? What? Long A? Yeah. EA makes the long A in great. That EA combination can make a long A too. Why and how? I don't know. But now you have learned 5 different ways to make the long A sound and how to pronounce the short A sound. Got it? That's it, my friends. The letter A. It's amazing, confounding, and oh, so confusing. But I hope you enjoy it. I hope I have a cool screen back here. If not, enjoy the green, man. Have a great day. Thank you so much, my friends. Peace.